stop scrolling. Side hustles are changing faster than ever, and 2026 is the year everything flips. Forget everything you know about side hustles. AI is not assisting anymore. It is creating brand new income streams that didn't exist last year. People are already making hundreds, even thousands a month with simple AI workflows. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, tap like, and turn on notifications so you never miss another AI income strategy. Let's begin. 2026 is different. AI tools have exploded, not gradually, exponentially. Every week, a new tool appears that replaces an entire job category or automates a task that used to take hours. Pause. Here's what's happening. Traditional side hustles are fading. Striving for rideshare, food delivery, manual freelancing, all slowing down. Why? Because AI-driven opportunities are faster, cheaper, and easier to scale. And here's the twist. AI isn't stealing opportunity, it's multiplying it. For every one job AI replaces, it creates 3 new ones around automation, optimization, and content creation. 2026 marks the first time ever where anyone with no experience, no technical background, and no budget can launch a digital side hustle in under 24 hours. Let me show you how. AI content creation is no longer cute or experimental. It's now hyper-personalized, scalable, and profitable. Here are 3 powerful niches exploding right now. First, AI-written children's books. Jet. You can generate stories, characters, illustrations, and full-page layouts in minutes. Parents want bedtime stories. Teachers want classroom materials. Simple books are selling thousands of copies a month on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and Shopify. Second, localized content packs. Small businesses need personalized ad copy. Restaurants, realtors, fitness coaches, salons, contractors. You can generate monthly ad packs, social captions, email newsletters, and promo scripts in any tone or style. Agencies charge anywhere from $150 to $400 a month for this. AI lets you deliver it in minutes. Third, AI-powered video editing without any skills. You can now produce faceless TikTok videos, animated explicable videos, B-roll compilations, and YouTube Shorts with drag-and-drop AI editors. No timeline editing, no experience, just instant templates. One AI freelancer on Fiverr earned $32,000 last year, offering simple video edits. 2026 will triple that number. And a bonus: AI podcasting. You can build an entire podcast with AI script writing, AI voice cloning, AI audio mastering, and AI cover art. People binge audio content, and AI makes creating it frictionless. This is the fastest growing content category of 2026. Now, let's talk about where the real money is: AI automation services. Every business wants automation, but almost none know how to apply AI correctly. That's where you come in. Number 1 is business process automation. You can automate appointment scheduling, customer support workflows, lead qualification, email responses, internal communication, and review generation. Businesses are paying $300 to $1,500 per automation project. You only need AI automation tools, not coding. Number 2 is AI optimization consulting. Most companies already use AI tools, but they use them poorly. You can help them optimize their prompts, workflows, API integrations, and AI customer service scripts. Even beginners can offer this service because the demand is so incredibly high. And third, predictive data insights. AI can analyze sales patterns, customer behavior, market trends, and inventory needs. Forecasting with AI isn't a Gasitza prediction. Small businesses will pay you to turn their raw data into simple insights they can act on. This is one of the most in-demand gigs for 2026. So, what's the next wave of AI income? Teaching others how to use it. If you can use AI tools even at an intermediate level, you can turn that skill into income. First, create mini-courses on prompt engineering for everyday use. Think prompts for real estate, prompts for teachers, prompts for e-commerce owners, or prompts for YouTube creators. These digital packs sell fast because people want shortcuts. Second, you can host hands-on workshops. You can teach AI automation, AI podcast creation, AI content, batching, or AI business workflows. Zoom workshops can sell for $50 to $150 per seat. Run 2 per month and you've generated a steady income. Third, you can mentor people who are pivoting into AI jobs. People need help learning how to use the tools, what skills to build, how to stay relevant, and how to adapt. You don't need to be an expert. You only need to be 3 steps ahead of them. Now let's talk about action. Here are your next steps for 2026. Step 1. Identify your leverage point. Ask yourself, what am I already good at? And how can AI make it 10 times faster? If you're creative, focus on content packs. If you're analytical, focus on automation and data insights. If you enjoy teaching, focus on workshops and courses. Step 2. Start with free tools. You don't need money to start. Use the free versions of ChatGPT, Claude, Canva, CapCut, ElevenLabs, Pika, Runway, and Descript. Build small projects. Test your ideas. Every skill you learn compounds. Step 3. Join AI communities. Surround yourself with people who are building and learning. Communities will give you clients, collaborations, inspiration, and opportunities. Momentum matters. The earlier you start, the more you grow. And step 4. Commit to ongoing learning. AI evolves weekly. You must evolve too. You don't have to master everything, just stay curious. If this has been helpful so far, hit like, drop a comment with I dois muy vinci, e says a 2, and share this video with someone who wants to start a side hustle. 2026 will be the biggest money-making year we've ever seen. AI is opening doors that were locked for decades. Subscribe for more AI income strategies, step-by-step tutorials, and new side hustles you can launch this week. Don't miss what's coming next.